Howdy. Got on top of the roof. Right now, I'm just looking for some damage. See, oh yeah, right there. All right here. It's just one though. Oh, it is. Huh. Good luck. Alright guys, it's Rich with AuraMax in here. Found a couple shingles that's loose. There it is. Marking a little more. Come down here. This whole side is loose. Right here. Got another misplaced. We climb up here. Missing shingle. Couple loose shingles as well. Over here we got one more granite loss. Down there, another lifted shingle. So it looks like we might be able to help them. As you see, that shingle's already about to be ripped. Yeah, let's go talk to the homeowner.